All right, good morning, YouTube. Okay, so this morning we are trying to get the first of the sheathing on. I'll get you out of the sun. First of the sheathing on. We got all of the joists, rafters in as we can until we get the flying pony walls in. So the next step is to actually get some roofing on. So we went to the lumberyard the other, I guess just last night, and picked up all the stuff. Okay, so yeah, we have the first layer, the first row. I mean, we're just going to try to hand up in the man basket, have somebody in the man basket. That way we can maneuver it before we have a platform to stand on. Once we get that first row on, we should be able to be on the first row and laying the rows ahead of us. So that's the plan anyway. We'll let you know how it goes. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, I gotta figure out how to get up there. Ladder. How's that feel like it's working? All right, so on this concrete here, this is where we had the board across it here, and right here there's a little bit sticking up, and I don't want that to telegraph through the OSB. And then we're a little short here. I'm just going to fill it with spray foam all the way across, and it should be fine. So here we go. Oh, got the GoPro a little dusty. Okay, that worked really well. Got it nice and smooth across there. 75 cents.
Right. I'll save that for.
Yep.
And about every 8